Okay. Okay, Cupcakes, here's the part 2. And we are playing hide and seek. So, yes,
Where
this
are
is
you?
part
Am I
2.
getting closer now?
No, I don't even see you.
On the map?
Actually, not on the map, but I see you in real life. You're just really far away.
Really?
Yeah, I'm running in circles right now.
Oh my god! Wait, I thought I just saw you.
What? What did you just see? What are you looking at?
I don't know, where are you?
I don't know, but I don't see anything anymore. I used to be able to see you in Cat Cove, but now I can't.
So I'll go back to Paco.
No. I mean, yeah, you can, because that's how you find me.
Where are you?
I see Cat Cove, now I see a corner of it.
Someone's calling me. I don't know who it is.
Why are you going to, are you going to pick up the phone, or what's going on?
No, ignore. I ignored them. Alright, let's get back to hide and seek. But where are you?
Jumping.
I don't know where you are. I give up. Where are you?
You give up?
Yes.
Okay. Come to Cat Cove.
I'm at Cat Cove.
Yeah, I see you. You're in the middle. Okay, come towards where I was hiding last time. Go to where I was hiding last time.
You're at the front. You're at the front.
Yeah, I'm at the front. Okay. Okay, now.
No way. Is that you right there?
I was hiding behind the bench. I was hiding behind the bench.
No way.
Yeah, I was hiding behind the bench. I was hiding
behind the
hide.
bench. Alright, I'm gonna go hide. I'm gonna go hide now.
Okay, good luck. 1. Actually, I'm gonna hide in my hiding spot. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. I'm not ready.
Okay, guys, so Katie's ready. So we are
You
gonna.
are not allowed to use the map.
I'm not?
No, you're not.
Okay, I'm not allowed to use the map. Okay. This looks really fun. I wonder what I'll see. Wait, I'm supposed to be seeking, not looking.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be looking for you, not at you. I have to go around. I'm supposed to go looking for you, not at you. I'm not supposed to be looking
You're
at you.
really far away.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How do you know? Okay, so I have a guess, but I don't know this for sure. I'm gonna do a jump, and I'm gonna find another jump. This is actually a really good hiding place right here that I just found, that I may or may not have used, and I found you.
Saw me? You can see me?
Dude, I'm right next to you.
Darn.
So,
I'm gonna cut right here.
when I paused the video, I looked up at this house thingy at top of here because there were trampolines. So I just looked at that. It was really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go and hide. You can count there.
Okay, just tell me.
Okay, people. So I am trying to hide from Katie, but I'm not sure if this is the wisest decision to go.
Are you moving around?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now
I'm gonna be completely honest. I kind of moved when I saw you coming up on the roof.
Are you serious?
Hey, there was no saying
Yes, I do, but you're at the very edge. Now you're coming closer in the map to me.
Really?
I'm in the middle of the map, okay? And then you're coming out of the map. But you're going around the edges. No, turn around. Turn around and you'll be coming towards me. No, other way around, completely around. Okay, that's not that you know. Now you're coming towards me.
Okay.
Kind of. Okay, so that's that.
You running in the wall?
No.
Am I coming close?
I'm not on the map.
I'll send you, but I find a picture. Are you moving in circles?
I'm not moving in circles. I swear I'm not.
Are you moving?
I'm moving, but not in circles.
Hi.
What?
Hi. You not see me?
No, I don't see you. Why?
Turn around. Turn around.
Where are
Turn
you?
around.
I'm turning.
Turn
I'm
around.
turning. I don't see you.
Okay, turn around.
I'm turning. I'm turning. I
Hi,
see.
you see me? You seriously don't?
I see a weird white cat, but I don't
That's
see
me.
you. No,
That's
I don't
me.
see you.
You hear that?
No,
That's
it
me.
doesn't. It doesn't say kitten though.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't say kitten. I don't. The white cat doesn't say kitten. Wait, I'm gonna come up. I'm literally staring the kitten in the eyes. It doesn't say kitten. It says, I can't read it. It's in European.
We're not in the year.
It says Meowser 10.
It doesn't. Haley, stop.
What? I'm not doing
around.
anything. I'm not doing it. I don't see you. I don't see you. Fine, what do I look like to you? What do I'm not running, I'm standing still.
Oh, yeah? I can see you running.
What do I look like?
You're, calico cat, right?
I am calico, why?
Haley, turn around.
I am a calico cat, and I'm turning around.
You don't see me? I'm right here.
No, this one says Meowser 10.
Okay.
It
I'm
says
leaving.
Meowser 10.
Look on your map. I'm the closest one to you.
There is no close one to me.
Oh my god, I'm leaving. I'm still in the world, but I'm leaving.
Did you just leave? Do you want me to tell you where I am?
Yeah.
I'm a dog.
You're not. You really?
I'm a dog.
You're not. You're not.
I'm at the beginning, and I'm a dog.
At the beginning?
And I'm a dog.
What?
I'm at the beginning, and I'm a dog.
Can we come to the beginning?
If you would like, yeah. I'm a dog with level 1 hearts.
Why?
Because I want to.
You like dogs?
Yeah, I like hot dogs because they don't scratch you in the face.
What?
Dogs don't scratch you in the face. I hate when they
scary.
do that. Dogs are scary.
I'm going to Cat Cove.
Oh, I'll go too.
Cat Dog Cove.
Cat Dog Cove. But I'll be there soon.
Oh, my game. What the heck? Oh, okay, we're back to normal.
Yeah, my game froze for a second too. So guess what?
What?
You actually thought it was a cat? What did the cat say?
Cream cheese.
No way. It said cream cheese?
Yes. Swear to God.
With an E-A-M or an E-E-M?
He wasn't really paying attention, but are you coming?
I'm E-E-M.
That might be a different person. But
I'm still a calico cat, no matter what. And I'm on
Where are you?
cat cove.
You're a dog.
I know I'm a dog. I'm Crystal Dog.
Well, now you can tell the difference whoever is there. Wait, what does the dog sound like? Oh my God! The dog's gonna kill me!
Meow. Meow, meow, meow.
One.
Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow.
Let's play tag. You alright?
Tag. I just tagged you.
No, you didn't. You actually have to.
Wait, let's do battle mode tag.
Wait, what? Fine, you have to come and get me.
Where are you?
I'm going near the beach.
What?
Can you see me?
No.
I'm the one that's not moving.
Well, I'm gonna turn back into a cat. Bye. Okay, everybody. So, I'm a black cat now. Just because I wanted to and because I'm super broke.
You look like a snow cat.
You're a snow cat. I'm a black cat. Wait! We need a name for both of us. What if I'm black from now on? And you're white from now on?
No, I'm Snow. My name is Snow.
No, wait. Wait, no. Black and white. We could be the black and white cat cove.
Yes! This is our cat cove. If you're not our friends, then I'm sorry you can't, be in our cat cove.
Wait, but what if we have fans that want to be in the cat cove?
Okay, yes, they can come in.
All you gotta do is say that you're a fan of us. Anyway, yeah. I'm actual cream cheese. C-R-E-A-M. Cheese.
Hi. Do you see me? Turn around. Do you see me?
Hello. Yes, I do.
Hello.
Ow, I fell. So, anyway, can I hide?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Wait a minute.
Wait, I hid? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, it's
you
your
just did.
turn. Okay, bye.
I have to be picking the spot, but, we'll go with it. I'll
Okay.
tell you when I'm ready.
Okay. Do you see me on the map now?
No.
I don't see you anywhere.
If you give up, then I'll just tell you where I am, okay? So, I'm not going to give you any hints.
Wait, you have to. It's the rule of the game.
Oh, are we doing, one of those YouTubers?
No, it's always been the rule in hide and seek. Come on.
Alright, fine. Let me think. It's a place where I've hid before.
You hid there before?
Yes.
Wait, I don't know why, but I'm just attracted to this building. I love this building. I don't know why, but it's so beautiful. And the doll won't let me. It's not a doll. But I'll have to go around to this other building over here.
Oh, really? Do you see me on the map or something?
I don't have a map. I don't have my map up. Oh, it's a lovely tree. This tree attracts me because it's different. Come over here, tree. Tree, let me go to you. Let me go to you. Oh, and there's a lovely cat playing in the water. Okay, but there's a lovely tree. I love you, tree. I'm attracted to this tree. Cat, come over here. I'm meowing at you. Weird cat, come over here. Look at this fabulous tree cat that's in the water.
No, I'm leaving.
Wait, what? That's you?
I'm leaving.
Is that you?
Maybe.
No. I found you?
Yeah.